Chocolate Deluxe Recliner in Better Homes. It's $30. Dorel Asia Deluxe Recliner instructions. Comes packaged in plastic. Plenty of soft piece. This part is the cushion. The leather backing of the recliner. Nice and huge. Let's put that on the side. Let's see how important the actual base. All right. Moment of truth. Bring the camera to show. There it goes. Still recording. So these two need to match on both sides. And that's about it. Let's see you recline. Jump in. Good to go.
Yes.
Well, congratulations on your new purchase.
Yeah. Neat.
That's pretty neat. So you planning to use this for nursing? What happened?
I don't have power.
You don't have the force to pull it back up?
Yes.
Chocolate Deluxe Recliner in Better Homes.